Class 7 Arithmetic Exercise 13B from question number 11. Time taken by A to finish the piece of work is 7 1 by 2 hours. That is 7 to the 14 or 15 by 2 hours. So work done by A in 1 hour, just reciprocal this number, that is 2 by 15. Let us think that B takes X hours to finish the work, so B will take 1 by X. Here A can work 20% less than B, or B can do 100% minus 20%, that means 80% of the work, that is 80 by 100, so 4 by 5 of the B work. So according to the question we can write that 4 is to 5, 4 by 5 is to 1 is equal to 2 by 15 is to 1 by X. Is to means divide. When you multiply, then 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5, 2 into X, 2X, 5 ones, 15 ones are 15. We have to cross multiply here. 5 2s are 10, 15 4s are 60. Divide this 10, you will get 6 hours. And that is your answer. Question number 12. A can complete the work in 20 days. So work done by A in 1 day is 1 by 20. Same way, B can complete the work in 12 days. So work done by B is 1 by 12. In 9 days, B can complete 9 by 12 of the work. That means 3 by 4. That is 3/4 of the work done, and leaves 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 is the total work done. If you take LCM and solve it, you will get 1 by 4. To complete one work, A takes 20 days. To complete 1 by 4 of the work, A will take 21 by 4, that is 5 days. A can do a piece of work in 25 days. So work done by A in 1 day is 1 by 25. B can take a work done in 20 days, so work done by B is 1 by 20. A alone can do the work in 10 by 25 days. That is 2 by 5 of the work has been done. Now what work is left? That we have to subtract by 1. If you subtract it, you will get 3 by 5. That means 3 by 5 of the work has been left. Now, if they work together, A plus B, for 1 day they are working, that means we have to add both of them. 9 by 100 of the work can be done. So we can write 9 by 100 work can be done, can be completed by A and B in 1 day. So for 1 day you have to divide it. If you multiply, that means you have to interchange. 3 by 5 of the work was left. Multiply that number by 3 by 5. You will get 20 by 3 days. That means 2 by 3 days is your answer. First pipe can be filled the tank in 20 minutes, and the part of the fill will be 1 by 20. And second pipe can be filled in 30 minutes. So part of the tank filled in 1 minute is 1 by 30. If the both work done together, that means 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. Take LCM first of all, you will get 260. Then 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 60, that is 1 by 12. So for time taken, you have to divide that number by 1. You will get 12 minutes, and that is your answer. A tap can be filled in a tap. If it is open for the filling, it takes 8 hours. So 1 by 8 of the work is done. And the same tap, if it is being for empty, that is minus 1 by 16. Empty means minus, just opposite of it. If they work together, you have to solve this. You will get 1 by 16, and that is your answer, 16 hours. Same way, question number 16. If this A pump can fill in 2 hours, so work done by in 1 hour is 1 by 2. For leakage, X hours, so empty 1 by X, and together they can do it in 3 by 7 is equals to filling and empty. Bring this side, X will come this side, and number goes to the other side. minus comes here, becomes as plus, and plus goes that side, becomes as minus. And after that, if you solve it, you will get value as x is equals to 14 hours. Here question number 17. Part of the tank filled by the first pipe in 1 hour, that is 1 by 10, and the second one is also filling 1 by 12, but the third pipe is being empty, that is 1 by 20. If they work together, fill, empty. Solve it by taking the LCM of it. You will get 2 by 15. So time taken, so easily we can find it out. Divide that number by 1. So 15 by 2, which means 7 1 by 2 hours. We have written here 7 hours. 1 by 2 hours means minute. 2 divide, if you multiply by 60, it becomes 30. So our final answer is 7 hours 30 minutes. That means option number B is correct.